So, getting back to our previous conversation, now we're back in plot 1 and it's a cracking day again. So, what we're saying about starting the stock at the top in plot 2, what I've done, we've done it all in reverse. Back here into plot 1, we started at the bottom. And worked up. Look at that now, it's all been swept and tidied. Look at the size of this kitchen, unbelievable. Well, kitchen come down in area, I suppose. Anyway, let's get upstairs. So, yeah, back to what we're saying. We came through and then we came in here. This isn't quite finished yet. And I ran out of tiles just for this little bit there and above there. So we had to go into here. With the 60x30 slate black effect tiles, those are throughout the whole house actually, and the metros. Lovely big metros. And so now, and honestly, it's like birds of death. Your birds, you've come in and you're going out. So I came in at the top of plot 2 and I'm going out at the top of plot 1. Bit emotional. See ya. Right, well, we're really ready to start. I want to try Dickies Magic Eggs. I'll let you know what it's like. Right, the end of an era. Yeah, emotional. I'm going to this room. As you can see, decor tiles that wall. Plain on the back wall, decor on the right wall, and plain on the back shower wall. And the black slate on the floor. So that's it. And this is the first proper test. Mistake. I like it. Yeah. I like it a lot. And that's it. Let's get cracking. See ya. So that's first course on. Some posh, lovely. I like it. Yeah, got first course on. There it is. And that's our bit, just a bit of batten there to hold it up. All the let's set in, and I can go up this wall, and I can go up that wall. Loving it. See ya. time. And this is what we've done. Yeah. That'll do. Very good.